So this would be called the droopy eye. This is when the hair grows right by the brow bone. As you can see, I have space right here. This lifts my brow. Well, the hair starts growing right by the brow bone, giving you a droopiness to the eye itself. And then it curves the eye and just makes you look a little sad and not lifted. What you want to do is go to your eyebrow specialist and get them to thread their hair. I know a lot of you want to save your hair, but this is the deal. It's serving you no purpose, but just making you look sad and droopy. So this is actually the type of brow that I have, but in the years, I've managed to just remove the hair. And I know it's scary because you're like, how am I supposed to fill in the brows? I don't want to fill in the brows. Well, sometimes you have to do things to make yourself look amazing, huh? Okay, so what I've done is I've eliminated the hair that I had put in by using a concealer. We pretending that there was hair there. All right, so what I'm going to do now is take the brow gel, and I'm using the brow gel because it's a little easier. And I'm going to take my brush, and then I'm going to fill in where I don't have hair. And mostly it's right at the top here. As you can see, it's filled in at the top. It gives me a little lift. How do I know where the brow should end? So what I'm going to do is take my brush and measure, and this is where the brow should end. And all I know is I need to fill in mostly at the top. So the brow gel is so much easier because it's a gel and it just smoothly goes off. You don't really have to, goes on, sorry, you don't have to really think about it. Okay, add in a little bit more, use the point, okay, and then just fill it in. Look at that. Fill it in, look at the lift. Again, where do you know where to end? Go ahead and take your brush, measure all the way to the end, connect the dots, as I say. Okay, there we go, right in there. And then you can use your brow fixer, okay? And then what you're gonna do with your brow fixer is you're gonna brush the hair up, okay? Brush the hair up again. There you go. Brush the hair up. Take your brow gel, okay, and fill in all these areas right in there. Here you go.